Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face recognition. Start by opening settings, then scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Tap face recognition and enter your current login method. Read the disclaimer and tap continue. Click done. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, my face should be recognized. So all I have to do is swipe up to open. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!